So now let's see how we can create a new document and utilize the advanced settings inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have GIMP opened up, and in order to create a new document you need to go around and click on the file menu. And then once you do that, you need to go around and click on new over here. So once you do that, you need to go around under advanced settings over here, and you can see that it says resolution over here. Resolution in term is the pixel per inch right now right here. So if I were to increase this out, you can see that the pixel per increases. Right now nothing happens when this is in pixel, but if I were to go around and select out, let's say for example inches right here, then what happens is that you can see that it is 6.4 by 3.6 inches. But if I were to change around the a pixel per inch, a pixel resolution right here, you can see that the PPI changes out right here. So let's say for example the PPI is supposed to be 150 right here. That is 150 pixels per inch, and that is the value right here. Then what I can do is, if I were to go around onto one by one, you can see that the pixel size is 150. But if I were to make this, let's say for example 400 right here, just like this, now the resolution is 420. So 1 inch is equal to 420 pixels right here, and just like that. But if on pixels, it does not really matter right here. So now this is what you have, and the standard resolution for print is 300, while for screen it's 72. So depending on the requirement, you can go around and choose the PPI as you like right here. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can go around and choose like pixel per inch and pixel per millimeter, pixel per point, pica, centimeter, and so forth, as you can see. And you can go around and choose around the pixel per inch and so forth as you want right here. Apart from that, you can see the color space over here, and color space is RGB right here, or you can choose grayscale, which is a scale of gray, that is black and white, and there's perceptual. There's this right here, just like this. There's no CMYK right here, but for that you can add in a plugin later. But in GIMP by default, only RGB and grayscale are supported. So precision right here is the level of color right here. So 8-bit is the standard, but you can go all the way up till 32-bit of colors as well. Then you got gamma right here, which can be linear light, or sRGB right here, which is the color space that you can work with right here. So you can go around and color manage this image as well if you want, just like this. So you can go around and choose this out or not according to how you want right here. So let me just go around to perceptual gamma, which is the default, and then you get the color profile over here as well. You can also select other color profiles on disk right here and use the ones you like. You can actually go around and download them out. So over here you can see that fill is background color right now, but you can go around and choose transparency right here or pattern as well. So if I were to select transparency right here, and in comment, I can go around and add in a comment to the file. Press OK, and then what happens is that the file will be created right here, just like this. And you can see the transparency right here, just like this. So now if I were to go to file right here and then go to new right here, go to advanced settings. Apart from that, you can see that pattern is an option. Press OK, then you get a pattern instead of a background, as you can see right here. Let me just go around onto new right here, go to advanced right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You got pattern, you got transparency, you got a white right here, and you got foreground color as well, which is the front color right here, so or the background color, which is the white. So let me just go around to this foreground color, press OK, and then you can see that you get black right here. And that is how you can create a new document with advanced settings inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.